Yes, so on this tutorial, I am here to give you a free uh, PSD template for funeral poster or a flyer and a banner. You get that? Yes. So with this particular thing is it was comes with different sizes and then with their distance. You get that? Yes. So this was the how I come by these flyers, and it was okay for the client. You get that? Yes. So on this it was A3 and this was A2 and this was banner. That's how they want their this thing to be done, and that is what I did for them, and they like it. And I decided to share it with you so that those who are in hurry, or you had a urgent flyer, funeral poster or flyer design, but you don't know how to come by it, but you just want to change details and then you print for the person. This is best for you. That's beginners. It's for beginners, businessmen, for printing press who normally get agent distance, and before you can start up to this thing, it may take time. But this thing is the what is the name? This is for agent. You can just download it, fix your details, change your image, then you are good to go. You get that? Yes. And this I want to say something. For some time ago, I stopped uploading or doing a video for template because I realized that some of the people who normally contact me, they're not my subscribers. That's one. And they don't even watch my videos. That's two. And only what they will see, they'll click on the video and see that the video has a link where to download, and the person will download the template. Because the video, I always put a password on it, the person will not even watch the video to the end, so that to get the password in the video, the person will just come straight to my DM, give me the password. It has a password, it has a this. There is no one on this particular YouTube platform that will upload a video and with a template, and the person will put a password on it without without you getting the password from the web, from the video. No. Especially when you come to my videos, any video I uploaded and with it has a template, it will have password, and when you watch the video till the end, you get the video. So this is very simple. This is very simple. 10 minutes video for you to just take your time, watch the video to the end, get the password, only the password. And the password is not like it's 100 words. Sometimes 3, 4, 5, that's all. You can get it. But you see that some people will just come straight, give me password, give me, and I don't like that. You get that? Yes. If you don't have time to watch it for free and get the password, for me who has wasted my time design something, you don't even know how I come by this. So for you to just get it free and watching the video is hard for you. No, that is not what I'm here. I am here for a business. You get that? Yes. Let's move on to the video, and I just want to say that you can get the link on my bio to download the template, and the template, it has a password, and I'll put the password in this video. At the end of the video, I'll put it there. So take your time, watch the video, understand how you can edit this. You get that? Before you come and be talking blah blah and those kind of things. You get that? Yes. So this was that, and this was cool. So it comes with banner, which is banner is here, A2 size is here, and then A3 size 2 is over here. This particular package comes with a lot of designs. It comes with its invitation card was also there, and thank you this thing was also there. You get that? Yes. But because the file to be so large that I don't have to post everything or to share everything with you. You get that? Yes. So I am just going to share with you this little three flyers so that you can also use it, and you can get your work easily be done. You get that? Yes. So far, that is just that, and I don't have much to say about this. So let us do the editing of the video. You get that? Yes. So that you can find the ways on how you can easily get it done. So this was a thank you flyer. After when I was done with the funeral flyers and all that, after the funeral was done, I was also asked to design a thank you flyer, and this was that, and it was okay for the client, and it is nice. You get that? Yes, I made it to for them to choose, but all they choose all of them, and I was so happy about that. You get that? Yes. So that is just that, and then all this is funeral flyers that I'll be posting soon for you to also enjoy from it. You get that? Yes. So this was a invitation card, which this card was printed with hard card, and it's also printed on envelopes. You get that? Yes. So this was a really package that I use this thing for. You get that? Yes. So first of all, let's come to the A3 poster, which was this. So all this, you can make changes to it. You get that? You can remove the, you can change the image, you can change anything on that. You get that? Yes. The image, you can remove it and you can replace it. And with this too, you can also change it with the details. You get that? You can change the right tab, you can change everything. Even this right tab too, you can change it. You get that? Yes. And the name and everything is also free for you to change. You get that? Yes. So you don't need to get worried when you are doing the changes. It's very easy. You just only need to change it. And what you can also do is that you can get the fonts to download. You get that? Yes. This font that was used on the right tab is Baloo 2. Baloo 2, that's the font's name, and this was cool. And this one was the RCL back one. So all these fonts, you can get it to download on Google. You get that? Yes. Even this, you can also change it. You can change the image inside it. All what you need to do is to double click on this thumbnail. When you double click on it, this is how it will come. Then you do what? You change the part, you change the picture with any kind of picture you like, and then you close, and then you do what? You save. That is just all. So this is very easy, and you don't need to waste much of time. You get that? Yes. So with this, if you had it, you can easily make your changes on it, and you are good to go. You get that? Yes. And that is all for the A3 size that I designed. And this one too is the same thing. Anything you can change here, you can equally change it from this place. Even with the background, everything, you can do that. You can change it. You get that? Yes. And then this was the banner. Yes, the banner was also okay, that you can also make any changes on it without wasting much of time. You get that? Yes. So this was how it was. And how I did my thing is that any picture you change from here, it automatically change from this and this. You get that? Yes. So anything I converted to a smart object, when you change it from one side, it will automatically change to all the sizes, all the flyers inside this particular artboard. You get that? Yes. So this changing is not that hard. If you had an agency funeral design, just come and download it, make your changes, and you are good to go. You get that? Yes. However, if you like to work with me, you need funeral flyers, you need more design, you need any kind of design, I am free. You can contact me on Upwork. I'm on Upwork. You can contact me through that, and I'll give you better designs that you can get. And I'm also on Fiverr. Yes, Fiverr. I'm also on Fiverr. You can also get me on Fiverr. Then you can place your order for any designs that you like, and I will deliver it to you. You get that? Yes. So on Fiverr, I have so many jigs. For now, I just started it up not long ago, so due to that, I have only 4 jigs on it. And on on Upwork too, I have also 4 3 3 to 4 gigs. Yes, I'll be uploading one tonight. Yes, so both Upwork, both Fiverr, and then what is the name, Upward, you can get my jigs, and you can place any order, then we can move forward. Right now I only have expressions, no clicks, no order. You get that? Yes. So thank you so much. I wish you anytime you need any kind of graphic design, you will come to my Fiverr this thing, then you can place an order and I'll deliver it to you within a day, 24 hours, very fast. You get that? Yes, very fast, very fast. Normally I work very fast with clients that really need my services. You get that? Yes. So I'll put my Fiverr link where to get this thing. I'll put it in the description, and I'll put the Upward to on the description, so that you can also place any link on that. You get that? Yes. So on Fiverr I have a brochure jig, I have a church flyer jig, I have professional pull-up or roll-up banner jig, both electrical and non-electrical pull-up stands, and I have it. And then I also have the funeral poster or obituary, or even when you need a booklet. Yes, I can also get you a customized book that you would like to use. You get that? Yes. So get the video now, get the passwords on this video, and then you are good to go. Thank you so much for watching. This is ABN Graphics, and have a nice day. Bye bye.